You might want to be hearing that beeping noise. That's what they be beeping. It be that right there. They be beeping. Where we at? And Fresno Police Department is right over there. And then we get money out here by the cops out here to do the stuff of what we doing out here. And that's where the Fresno Police Department's at. And it's where they be doing a little beeping noise at. Back towards this way. This is how the people out here in Fresno are getting dope out here by the cops out here to keep everything in Fresno right out here. And that's the Fresno Police Department right over there. So we must got to keep everything out here. Right out what we're doing out here. So we can basically harass a dog out here. And that's how we're getting dope out here. We're about to take off towards that way.